Hello and welcome. In this detailed tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to log in to your Discord account using a QR code, a fast and secure method that saves you from typing your password, especially on a shared or new device. Whether you're opening Discord on a desktop, laptop, or web browser, this QR login method is perfect if you already have Discord installed on your phone and want a quick one-tap login experience. So, let's go through it step by step. Go to discord.com using any browser, or simply open the Discord desktop app on your PC or laptop. Once the login screen appears, look to top right corner of the screen. You'll see Login button. Tap on it, and you will see a large black and white QR code besides the regular login form. This is the QR code you'll scan. Do not refresh the page after opening it, or the QR code will change. It's valid only for a short period of time. Now, on your smartphone, open the Discord app where you're already logged in. Once the app is open, tap your profile picture in the bottom right, tap gear icon to go to user settings. Scroll down and find the option called Scan QR Code. If you don't see it right away, it might be inside a section like Advanced or App Settings, depending on your app version. Once you tap Scan QR Code, your phone's camera will activate. Point your phone at the computer screen and align it with the QR code that's shown on the Discord login page. Within a second or two, your phone will detect the code and ask you to confirm if you want to log in on the other device. After scanning the QR code, a pop-up will appear on your phone asking you something like, "Login on a new device? Tap Login." Once you confirm, your computer or browser will automatically log in to your Discord account. No need to enter your email or password. That's it. You are now successfully logged into your Discord account on your new device using nothing but your phone and a QR code. I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.